From your first call to the final inspection, our process is designed to be quick, clear, and stress-free. When you reach out, our team responds quickly. We'll schedule your estimate the same day or the next. Our sales team isn't here to pressure you. We're here to educate. We'll review your roof and provide a written estimate the same day. Once you're ready, we'll handle all the paperwork from the signed contracts to submitting the permits. Permitting usually takes about 7 to 14 days depending on the municipality, and we manage the entire process for you. If you go with a metal roof, our fabrication team begins preparing your materials in-house. We use our roll forming equipment to create custom length metal panels designed specifically for your home. We also fabricate the necessary trims, flashing the accessories, so everything is ready before your installation begins. On installation day, our crew begins by removing the existing roofing system all the way down to the roof deck, so we can start with a clean, solid foundation. Next, we dry in the roof by installing a high-quality underlayment that's waterproof. This layer protects your home from moisture and provides an additional barrier beneath your new roofing system. For metal roofs, panels are often roll formed on site to the exact length needed. This allows us to minimize seams and create a cleaner, more durable finished roof. Once panels are ready, installation begins. Each panel is carefully aligned and secured to the roof structure using specialized fasteners and clips designed for metal roofing systems. Afterwards, our team then installs flashings, ridge caps, edge trims, and other finishing details. These components seal vulnerable areas like roof edges, ridges, and penetrations to ensure a long-term protection. Throughout the process, we perform multiple quality checks to make sure everything meets building code and our own installation standards. Once installation is complete, we perform a final quality walkthrough with the homeowner to make sure everything meets expectation. We'll even follow up after the project is finished to ensure your roof performs exactly as promised. Rhino Roofs is here to protect your home with dependable, consistent quality. That's the Rhino way.